Is your Ring camera showing a black screen during live view? Let's troubleshoot this in 2 minutes. Over 85% of black screen reports are caused by simple connection drops or signal interference. Before you call support, let's walk through the most effective diagnostic steps. Start by power cycling your camera and checking the signal strength in your settings menu. Check if your router firewall is blocking the stream or if your upload speed is simply too low. For hardwired units, ensure your transformer provides enough voltage to keep the night vision active. Toggling your app settings might fix the moment, but network upgrades are the permanent solution. Most repairs cost little to nothing, unless you determine the hardware unit has finally failed. If all else fails, a full repairing of the device often clears persistent firmware glitches. Keep a basic multimeter handy if you need to verify the voltage at your doorbell wires. Remember, a stable network connection is truly the heartbeat of your home security system. Subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and keep your home protected.